hope you have a strong stomach, senor.
Roll the ugliness.
Well, until I get a better tripod, this will have to do. This is using a coaxial indicator to find the center of a part. Now this part doesn't have a nicely turned outside, that's mill finish. But let me move it so as you can see what happens when you move the x-axis handle. Bring it back in. When it moves the least, you're there. Back up just a shade. Back it up about 1,000. That's about as good as it's going to get. But I just want to drill a hole in this. I'm making a fixture to hold a piece of metal for another operation, and I need to mill a 1-inch slot across the top of this and a hole to hold for a bolt to hold the piece down. When I mill the slot, the sides will hold the piece from turning. The bolt hole will just hold the piece where it has to be, and what I'm going to do is mill a radius on the end. You'll see that in a later video. But this is way more precision than it needs to be. I'm just doing it as an exercise just to make it nice. What I'm building is a dynamic balancer. And I hope this was somewhat educational. Here, let me go ahead and lock the x-axis. And I'm good to go on the rest of this. And I'll see you another day. Thank you.
Good. Father, could there be a God that would let this happen?